Cooking with Miss Quinones. Tonight is going to be family pizza and movie night at our house, and so we're all going to put our own special take on making pizza. So this is the pizza crust I'm going to be using tonight. Sometimes I make homemade pizza crust and sometimes I take the easy route. Tonight we're taking the easy route. So then we've got our cheese, we've got some cooked ground sausage, black olives, jalapeno peppers, pineapple, pepperoni. I like some sauteed onions, mushrooms. So we don't put all of this on our pizza. Everybody makes their own and we just kind of individualize those to how we like them. And I almost forgot one of the key ingredients, pizza sauce. You can't have a delicious pizza without pizza sauce. So I do follow the directions and pre-bake the crust. So there it is now. You can see I added some extra seasonings and garlic and salt to mine before I baked it. Now I'll put all the toppings on it and put it back in the oven.